It's time for another vlog, and today I have come to Gurgaon, and this is South Point Mall, and I'm gonna take you to this very cute little bakery, Little Light. I remember them from my work when I used to come to Gurgaon to my office, and Gurgaon में basically अगर आप गुड़गांव में आपको अच्छी तरह से पता है तो जब भी कोई केक ऑर्डर होता था किसी भी कंपनी में या किसी भी पार्टी में वो इसी बेकरी से आता था हमेशा. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्वीट ऑब्सेशन. सो अगर आप गुड़गांव में रेगुलर हो और रहते हो यहाँ पे आपने इनके बारे में काफ़ी सुना होगा. सो आई लव देयर द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर आउटलेट एंड I love the interiors. I'm going to show you. So see this. This is the outlet that I'm talking about, and this is Sweet Obsession. Matlab, the concept is basically it's kind of like house because it says house 309 and you can see the exteriors as well, and I loved it. I mean, I when I saw it I was like, wow, this is something different, and it looks really elegant, decent, and makes it a perfect place for your next date maybe, or like coffee date, or just to grab a dessert. Like this is how a dessert place should be. So I'm going to take you inside. They have lovely setting. Let's go inside now. Oh, by the way, I love this house 309 Sweet Obsession, and now I'm going to show you the inside. Open, and you have a lovely welcome, and see, so sofa like a drawing room, you can see. So this is probably like a dining table, and this is the counter where you can take a look of the desserts. And here I'm gonna show you something which I loved. This is like a bathtub where you can also sit, and I think they have upstairs as well. So if you can take the stairs, and maybe I'm not sure whether it's open for sitting right now, but these are the interiors. Lovely. So guys, this is the dessert menu. Have a look. So what happens is I'm gonna just do is this, and it opens, and there's a donut inside. This is like a dummy donut, but then you can see the menu, and like tea cakes and high on protein, Fruitalicious. So kind of like very, very different. Like I've never seen a menu like this, especially for a bakery. Very innovative. So guys, although this is a dessert place, but they also serve like this is their shakes and appetizers and starters, salads. You can also go for the main course. So I mean, just in case you are planning to come and you're not in mood for a dessert, so they have a main course as well: lamb shank, pork chops, and grilled chicken, and they have pizzas as well, and wood fired too. So in case you're planning to come, pastas also. So dessert place, but they also have this on the menu. Thank you. Looks beautiful. So guys, I ordered a river sole in lemon butter sauce, which is my favorite because it comes with grilled veggies and mashed potatoes. And I also ordered one Rocky Road. So basically this is kind of like cookie base, then vanilla base, then chocolate base, and then caramel nuts. And if you're allergic to nuts, you can avoid this and go for the other desserts, which is red velvet, fresh fruit, or maybe blueberry. But I love this. Looks really delicious. Looks beautiful, and I think it's time to taste it. So I'm gonna start with the एक बार ये देखना आप कि the fish, because the main thing of this dish is the fish and of course the sauce. So look at this. I'm gonna taste it. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कॉल अ लेमन बटर सॉस. मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये डिश. मैंने बहुत जगह पे खाई है, बट कभी भी किसी भी लेमन बटर सॉस में इतना फ्लेवर नहीं होता जितना इसमें है। लेमन का परफेक्ट फ्लेवर है, गार्लिक का फ्लेवर परफेक्ट है, लेमन गार्लिक एंड देन लिटिल टैंगी, और मतलब इट्स फ्लेवरफुल। बाकी जगह पे क्या होता है एकदम ब्लैंड रह जाती है, एकदम वाइटिश होती है, बट दिस इज़ वेरी फ्लेवरफुल। फिश इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, ठीक है। इनफैक्ट ग्रिल्ड वेजिटेबल्स, इनकी ग्रिल्ड वेजिटेबल्स में जूसीनेस भी है और क्रंचीनेस भी है। ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल कच्ची रह गई है, या ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल बॉइल्ड है और एकदम आपको लग रहा है कि आप मरी हुई वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे हो। परफेक्ट। एंड द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस डिश इज गाइस दिस sauce, this lemon butter garlic sauce. Wow, the flavors, you can see it on my face. I'm not kidding, this is the best sweet obsession. By any chance if you see this video, this is the best lemon butter garlic sauce I've ever tasted in Delhi NCR. I'm a fan, have a look. See this. Just see this. I think guys, I'm gonna dig in, and before it gets cold, I'm gonna eat it all. See you. So delicious, so delicious. I've had this dish as many places because I prefer this when I go out. This is the best one till now, the best one. Perfect fish, perfect lemon butter garlic sauce, perfectly grilled vegetables, and the mashed potatoes. Ending the vlog and the meal with this one. Look at the plating, such beautiful. And this is their red velvet. So guys, last part of the vlog, I asked for my bill and it comes in this. This is how they give you the bill. This is so cute. छोटे छोटे buttons हैं, machine and धागा. इसको open करेंगे and if you can see this is rotating with the music. इसको open करेंगे. So here is my bill.